Hello, my name is Sayed Maruf Ali and my student ID is 2424939. Firstly, um, the process begins with loading the data set which contains images like plant leaves organized into different categories like training, validation, test sets, which are stored in different directories. The images are pre-processed to ensure that they have the same size and are normalized to a scale of 0 to 1, making it easier for the model to process, learn from the data. So this is the validation generator, trend generator, and data successfully loaded, and next the data is fed into the image data generator, a tool that automates the process of data augmentation and prepares batches of images for training. So these are the classes of plant leaves images, and this helps to prevent overfitting and ensure the model generalizes well to unseen data. The generator takes the image from the training, validation, and test sets, resizes them to desired dimensions, and normalizes the pixel values. It is very important. And finally, data set successfully loaded. Once the data set is ready, the CNN network CNN model is constructed. The CNN start with conventional layers that help in feature extraction from the input images. So this is very hard to explain about the layers. These layers are followed by max pooling layers, which reduce the dimensionality of the features and focus on the most important patterns in the data. It is very important, and flattened output from the conventional and pooling layers is passed to fully connected. So it's very important, and these are the classes of images. And the final layer uses the softmax activation function to produce probability distribution, and this is the CNN model is then trained using the training set with validation data used to tune the model's hyperparameters and prevent overfitting. Yearly stopping is implemented to stop training if the validation loss and so does not improve for a specified number of epoch. So it's very important. And epoch 5 for favor epochs for quicker training. This is very important. Part of the image height and image weight is 150 150. And then uh, after training the CNN model, it is evaluated test assess its performance, and the accuracy is calculated, and classification report is generated. Evaluate the precision, recall, F1 score, and support. How well the model is performing across different classes like Estonia, Scholar is diseased different classes, and whether it is biased towards certain categories. So these are the CNN accuracy is 0.68, and here is accuracy and loss, trend accuracy, validation accuracy, and trend loss, validation loss, epochs for, and then this is the tensor flow and pre-processing. So these are the code, and this is the predicted Estonia scholar is healthy P2B, and then um, same as the RNN model. In addition to the CNN model, a recurrent neural network is also tested on the same dataset. So, with CNN are excellent for image data due to their spatial feature extraction capabilities, and RNN are useful for sequence data. In this case, are tested by reshaping the image data. So, this is very important, and I think model generation and um, RNN model is trained similarly to the CNN model, so it's not problem. using the same training, validation, and test sets. After training, the RNN model is evaluated in the same manner and its performance is compared uh, to the CNN model. So these are the same RNN precision recall F1 score, and these are the classes, and RNN accuracy is 0.75. So then accuracy and loss for trend accuracy, trend loss, validation accuracy, and validation loss. So these are the code for training, and the final step involves comparing the accuracy and loss scores of both models over epochs. So epochs and epochs this, and this helps to understand how to quickly each model learns. So it is very important. So how to use and how to learn about this data, and um, through the and lastly predicted Arjun disease for RNN, and so these are the code. So through this process the model's performance is analyzed and interpreted, offering valuable insights into which architecture CNN or RNN works best for the given data set. So it is very important, and it's all about the data for given data set. So thank and that's it. Thank you so much for listening me.